Are you a mermaid today? Nilalamig ang aking apo para siyang naka-mermaid blanket. You're a mermaid, you're not in the water. You cold? Are you cold? Lola is cold also. I'm wearing socks. My son decided to have a spicy noodles challenge. So he dared me. And I said, magiging cameraman lang ako ngayon. Sige. Magluluto ako ng 5 noodles. This is twice as hot as very, very hot. Spicy. So sabi ko, sila na lang ang they will be the one who will, I will be the one who will get the camera, the video. And my son and my daughter-in-law and my grandson will be the one who will eat. So I'm cooking this 5-pack of the hot and spicy ramen noodles that we bought in Asian store. So I already boiled water, and these are the sachet of the ingredients, the spices. This is the pack of this is spicy. Mga excited. Mga excited sila guys, mga excited. Kala nila hindi ko naman sila papatikimin ng walang pre-taste. Ito walang pre-taste. Kailangan pagbilang ko, saka sila mag-uumpisang kumain. So I just boil water and I put all the noodles. Tapos palambutin lang siya. Tapos saklain. Almost done na. And then after the salad,
mga mukbangers, ang aking anak at ang aking apo,
ingredients.
ito yung ilalagay ko yung mga spices.
Ang sarap ng amoy
Ito
niya.
na siya. Ready na ba kayo?
Nilagay ko na siya. Napakasarap ng amoy. Talagang matatakam ka sa amoy. Pero hinahalo ko lang ganyan. Sinisingit ko. Nanunuot. Parang gusto kong humatsing. Amoy mo talaga.
Ready nyo na yung mga gatas nyo.
Spicy. You can smell the spicy.
Surprise taste.
Sobra.
Spicy noodles. Yan na.
Halo-halo, Myrna.
I got so much.
They are ready for the spicy noodles challenge. The winner will have $20.
Hola, Mason.
Mason, later. I said later.
Oh, he don't know how to play.
It's for my grandson, my daughter-in-law, and my son. Exempted ako kasi ako yung cameraman. Oh, the winner will have $20.
Dad or Kinsey. No, they're gonna die.
No. Okay, the contestant is there already.
We're supposed to eat it all?
The winner will have $20 sponsored by Jeffrey. Okay, well, I will count up to 3. On your march. Get set. Start. Pa.
Daddy's up.
Oh my God. Mason, look at Mason. He's so It's so
Parker, go get me water.
No, you drink milk. It's remove your spice.
How's Daddy not burning?
Yeah. It's already burning. He's already burning. His butt is burning.
I can't even take another bite.
Yeah, it's so hot. I just tasted a little bit. It's so hot.
Parker, go get me water.
Even if the price is $100, no one can finish. That's so spicy. The contender all lose. They lose. They cannot take that.
Taste like the most.
Well, you eat it.
Mason.
You ate it.
Mason is
My tongue is burning. Oh.
They didn't even eat halfway. I taste. Oh my God! I was about to give you $100.
Wilma, how dare you burn my mom?
Mila, don't even think about eating that. I will throw it in the trash.
Daddy's not hot.
They cannot finish it. No, not to my son, to my daughter-in-law, and to my grand. No, he did not eat the most because this is really just small.
Yeah.
They cannot handle the spicy.
I ate the second.
Natuwa talaga ako sa... Tapos lang nila ng challenge. Natawa ako sa challenge. Walang nakain. Hindi sila nakakain. Sobrang anghang. Yung tinikman ko lang ng kaunti. Ganyan lang. It burns my ano. This one is burning already.
It's so
Hindi na wala nga. Parang isang kutsara lang ang natikman eh. Wala na, hindi na nila kaya. They cannot. It's so spicy. I just taste it a little bit like this and it burns my lips. And after they taste that spicy noodles, they get the cake in the refrigerator and
his back is burning.
they eat the refrigerator. My son said there will be $20. There will be $20 for the winner.
It's so hot.
Hindi pala, kahit magbigay ka pala ng $100, hindi nila matatapos. Hindi nila mauubos, hindi na 1/4, tinapon ko lang lahat. 5 yung niluto ko, tinapon ko lang lahat. Sino kakain? Diyos ko. Hindi nga kami makakain.
They lose.
Sobra.
They cannot take that.
Sobra. Too much spicy. Cannot eat. You can smell it good, but you cannot eat. So, I was like laughing and laughing and laughing and laughing. I cannot stop. And my daughter-in-law said, "Oh my gosh."
Oh my God.
The
I was
F,
about to
sabi.
give you $100.
The F. Oh my God. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video today.
Okay,
It's
the
a
contestant
spicy
is there
challenge na
already.
walang naka-challenge.
The
Hindi
winner will
kaya,
have
hindi
$20
pinaya.
sponsored by Jeff.